All right, y'all, I'm here to make the quickest video ever on the X-T5. Just wanted to touch on the fact that the rumors were true. Also let you guys know that I pre-ordered one yesterday, so that should be coming in hopefully on launch day. I think these cameras are gonna sell like hotcakes in my opinion. I think it's like the X-T3 of 2022. Everyone keeps talking about how, Fuji's going back to their roots with this camera. I really do agree. The dials, the tilt screen for photography, the two SD card slots, it's all the things that we loved about the X-T3 and some of the other X-T cameras in the past. But now you've got the 40 megapixel sensor, the better battery, IBIS. It's really the best of both worlds. I didn't realize how much the X-T4 kind of stuck out like a sore thumb, but now I do that I've thought about it. Couple things. One, I really don't care about the battery grip. Those newer batteries last a very long time, and if you have a bunch of them with you, like, why not just swap them in? The only time that wouldn't work, I guess, is if you're doing like a long form video shoot and you're not able to stop your camera and pop a new battery in, but you wouldn't really buy an X-T5 for that anyway. As far as the tilt screen goes, that also doesn't bother me. I know I'm speaking as someone who has an X-H2 and really does love the flip screen on that for video, but I'm shooting this on the X-T30 right now and I have that little mirror thing at the top. It's reflecting the screen back to me and I can see myself perfectly fine. I think at this price point, especially if you bought two of them and then some really nice lenses, that would be an amazing wedding photography kit. That would be an amazing portrait photography kit. Even just having one for street photography, it's much more compact. I do find myself picking up the X-T30 pretty often just because of how small and light it is, as much as I love the X-H2. So for me, I think the X-H2 is going to turn into like a studio camera for more tethering shoots, if I'm doing anything like products, for video like this. And the X-T5 will really be more of a street photography, travel photography, also kind of something to bring on shoots where I need that sort of double card backup. I really don't see myself buying CF Express cards in bulk at the price that they're at right now. I also don't really, I don't know. I don't think I have a card reader that reads them. I also watched Joe Allen's video yesterday where he was talking about how the XT, the T stands for traditional, and XH, H stands for hybrid. I never knew that, but if that's the case, that would make a lot of sense. And I do think that's kind of how Fuji's trying to position these, and that's how I would think about them too. If you're a photographer, you're looking for a traditional experience and a photography-focused experience, the XT line is for you. If you think you're going to be doing some heavy amount of video with the camera and want to have those features in there for you, like a full HDMI port, the mic and headphone jack for monitoring, 8K video, or 120 frames per second at 4K, the X2 line makes a lot of sense for you. If you're just a photographer, 6.2K on the X-T5 is like more than anyone would need. And it would be fine for anyone who's trying to make photography YouTube videos using the mirror thing that I'm using right now. So like I said, this is just a super quick video to address the X-T5 and let you guys know I pre-ordered one. Be sure to subscribe for all the videos on the X-T5, comparing it to the X-H2 and all that good stuff. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon.